Hey everyone, it's Viral YT Path from YT Path. Today, we are delving into the dynamic realm of video editing. If you've been sticking to the basics and are eager to level up your editing skills, you are in for a treat. Let's get started. Section 1, Quick Basic Editing Recap. Before we dive into pro-level editing, let's quickly revisit some foundational techniques. Remember to cut, trim, and arrange your clips for a seamless flow. Basic transitions like fades and cuts are the building blocks. Now, let's take these skills up a notch. Section 2, Elevating your videos with advanced transitions and effects. To give your videos that professional edge, let's explore advanced transitions. Experiment with cross-dissolves, wipes, and captivating zoom transitions. Also, delve into effects like color grading and motion graphics to make your visuals pop. Section 10, Audio Excelling. Don't underestimate the power of audio. Pro-level editing involves refining your audio. Employ keyframes for precise volume changes, apply EQ for crystal clear sound, and consider adding background music to elevate the overall experience. Section 4, Unleashing the Potential of Advanced Editing Tools. Now, let's unlock the full potential of advanced editing tools. Master masking, keying, and leverage the advanced features in your editing software. These tools empower you to create intricate effects and establish a distinctive style for your videos. Section 5, Boosting Efficiency with Workflow Tips. Efficiency is key in professional editing. Organize your project files, utilize keyboard shortcuts, and explore automation features in your editing software. A streamlined workflow not only saves time, but also enhances your overall productivity. Outro. There you have it, folks. Transitioning from basic to pro-level editing is all about practice and exploration. Feel free to experiment and push your creative boundaries. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing. Feel free to adjust any part further to suit your style and preferences.